This is a SonarTRX tutorial, teaching you how to digitize the bottom and using the digitized depth, or altitude, for slant range correcting the side scan data. In this video, the terms altitude and depth are the same. They both represents the shortest distance from the side scan transducer to the bottom, and the distance is assumed to be in the vertical plane. As a starting point, we have imported a sonar recording and opened the SonarTRX viewer. From the viewer, we click on the Altitude tab to access the digitizing tools used for estimating altitude. To start digitizing, make sure Multi-Capture checkbox is checked, and then click on the Capture button to enter capture mode. Then use the mouse to click on multiple points along the bottom. Notice how the captured point count increments each time you click on a point. When done, exit capture mode by clicking the Capture button again. The digitized points will be added to the list of bottom lock definitions. When done updating the list, calculate interpolated depths based on the digitized points by clicking the Start Processing button to the lower left. The interpolated depths can be used as altitude source in the viewer by selecting First Echo Return as the display altitude. These depths are then shown as altitude in the status area below the viewer when moving the cursor along the recording. The altitude and range displayed in the status area should be about the same when the cursor is moved along the bottom. We can then slant range correct the data based on the interpolated depths by opening the SRC tab of the viewer. We make sure the altitude source for slant range correction is also set to First Echo Return. Finally, we turn on automatic beam angle correction before clicking the Start Processing button. The slant range corrected data can now be compared with the original via the drop-down view selector. Thank you for watching the SonarTRX tutorial video.